Hello and welcome to my Spreadsheet Millions review. So with Spreadsheet Millions, you're going to be able to create and sell spreadsheets online. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very, very, very simple, and people make six figures every single day selling simple spreadsheets. Great thing about it is it's $0 out of pocket because it's right through Google Sheets. You don't have to spend any money on Excel. Don't worry about Excel. A lot of people think, oh, it's a spreadsheet, I have to buy Excel. No, you don't. Go through Google Sheets. It's completely free. It can happen in any niche, and Spreadsheet Millions will show you how you can profit from this crazy new industry with absolutely no spreadsheet skills. Now, there is no members area to Spreadsheet Millions, so I can't go ahead and show you that. It will be delivered to you once you purchase this. It will be delivered to you in a PDF file. So this is an ebook. It's a 43-page ebook. I read it all today. I purchased the product. I read it all, and it took me less than an hour to read it all and to soak in all the information. Even though it's 43 pages, there's not really a whole lot to go over because there's some pictures in there as well, plus the font's kind of big. So let me go ahead and pull up the spreadsheet here or not the spreadsheet, but the product. This is the actual product that you're getting. As you can see, page 1 of 43. So Spreadsheet Millions, and then it goes on after this page. It goes on to show you, it tells you a little bit how Spreadsheet Millions started, and how that the creator of this product is James Renouf, how he is able to make 5 figures with this. He has made 5 figures with spreadsheets. So he's going to show you how you can too. It's a copy and paste method. I already made a couple spreadsheets and already put them online. And I just got it this afternoon. So I've had it for about 6 hours now. I went ahead and I did 2 spreadsheets and I put them online. So we'll see how that goes. But I'm very, very, very excited for this. And I think you should be as well. The front end product it looks like it's on a dime sale. Looks like the price is going up with either every sale or every hour. But the last time I looked at the price was $11.99. It's probably going to be a little more once you get to it, but get to it as quick as you can because it's going to be cheaper the quicker you get to it. Also, there's a couple OTOs. I think I'm going to go ahead and grab the first OTO, and the first OTO is it's actually done for you spreadsheets, and he has over 300 spreadsheets that you can use for whatever you want to give away. You can sell them, you can do whatever you want with them. But I think the biggest takeaway with that OTO is that it's going to give you loads and loads and loads of ideas. I already have a bunch of ideas of what I'm going to do with spreadsheets here in the coming days. But I think with his OTO, it's only $29. I think his OTO 1 will really give you a really eye-opening experience of exactly what you can do with these spreadsheets. So copy and paste method, anybody can do it. You don't need any experience. Go ahead and grab this now while it is on sale, $11.99 at the time that this video was created. So go ahead, pick that up. Spreadsheet Millions, solid product, and I'll see you in the next video.